Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the volume supported linear regression trend. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volume supported linear regression trend indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 239 indicators, and out of those 239 indicators, 88 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 88 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, so today's indicator was requested by one of the viewers. It is the volume supported linear regression trend indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. There's actually two parts that are working together here in this particular one. So we have a short-term trend, which are the histogram bars, and then we have the long-term trend, which is the line that is moving along the histogram here. And so when the histogram is breaking above the 0 line, and it is doing so on light green color, that is not this light green, but the more vibrant green color right here. That is a sign of a strong short-term uptrend. And on this side over here, when the long-term trend line is above the 0 line and it is in a light blue, that is a strong long-term uptrend. Now on the reverse side, when we have the let's move over to here. When we have the histogram bars breaking to the downside on the vibrant red color, that is a strong short-term downtrend. And when the long-term trend line is below the 0 and it is orange, that is a strong long-term downtrend. And so, how are we going to trade this? Well, obviously, there are two pieces to it that we have to account for. So, what we are looking for is the short-term trend to be in the vibrant red color and the long-term trend to be in the orange color there, like right here. And on the reverse side, we are looking for the short-term trend to be a vibrant green color on the upside and the long-term trend to be in the blue. That combined will have a confluence between the long-term and the short-term trend and will give us the best possibility for the buy or sell to go in the direction we want it to go. All right. That's how we're going to test it today. So let's go ahead and get on with it. So there we go. We get our first signal right here on that one. That is a confluence between the vibrant red color histogram bars and the orange long-term trend line. And you see, does pretty good. Gets us to our first take profit rather easily. Let's go ahead and continue on here. All right, so we get a break to the upside, but unfortunately, you see how the long-term trend line is a dark blue, not the light blue. So this particular case, we would ignore that, continue to follow it on here. And unfortunately, we do not pick up a trade signal on that particular one. All right, then we pick up a short signal over here on this side. And it hasn't quite played out yet, so let's go ahead and play it forward. Looks like it does. No. I think we might have actually gotten stopped out right there on this one. So stopped out there. Yes, unfortunately, we did get stopped out, and so that one would have been a losing trade there. Let's go ahead and continue playing it forward. And we pick up a long signal for just a second. Right about there. And almost immediately it falls out on us, stopping us out. Go ahead and continue on here. We pick up another long signal right here on this one. Looks like this one gets us to take profit, maybe. Yep, we didn't get stopped out, and it did go up and get us to take profit. Yeah, 140. Yep. All right, very good. So down here on the other side, we get a break to the upside right there. Actually, it was right there. You see that one takes off pretty easily there, getting us to take profit. Continue it on here, and that does put us at the end of the year there. All right, so there we have it. That is the volume supported linear regression trend indicator. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 signals, and we have 1, 2, and 3 winners. And so that does get us to the 60% criteria. It's a little bit interesting, seem to be rather delayed in giving us some signals. There might be a better way to trade this one if we dig into it a little bit more. But for now, it got us to 60%, and so we'll put it on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.